Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are going to evaluate this without using a calculator. We have an exponential term minus tetrational term. 2 to the power 20 minus 2 raised to the superpower 3, or we can say 2 tetrated to 3. Before we start evaluating this, pause the video, give it a try first, and if you are done, you can come back to the video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. And before we start evaluating this, let's pay attention to this. This is exponential term, and remember, exponent is all about repeated multiplication. So let's say we have a raised to the power b. Now what this means is that a is multiplying itself b number of times. So a is multiplying itself, let me put this in parentheses, b number of times. Now what about this right here, 2 tetrated to 3? Let's say we have the same a tetrated to b. Now tetration is all about repeated exponentiation. So this right here is the same as a to the power a to the power a. How many times? B times. So I will say b times. So now that we have this general idea, we can actually tackle the question. So this right here is the same as 2 to the power 2 to the power 2. That is 2 tetrated to 3. Remember, in order for us to solve this, we have to start right from the top and then come down just like that. And of course, I'll copy this down, the base 2 right there. Then we have 2 to the power 2, which is 4. So we are going to have 4 right here. And this time we have an exponential term, which is a repeated multiplication. So this is basically going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is obviously 16. So this question right here is actually 2 to the power 20 minus 16. There we go. I'm going to get rid of this and then start solving quickly. Now, 2 to the power 20 is a very big number, so let's use a strategy in order for us to solve this because we are not using a calculator. So what I will do is that I'll rewrite this in different form. 2 to the power 20 is the same as 2 to the power 10, then all to the power 2. Then minus 16 is also the same as 4 squared. And this time we have difference of 2 squares. Remember, let's say we have a squared minus b squared, which is difference of 2 squares. We can rewrite this as a plus b times a minus b. So we are going to apply this same idea right here. So we will have 2 to the power 10 plus 4, and the whole of this is multiplying 2 to the power 10 minus 4. 2 to the power 10 is a repeated multiplication. 2 is multiplying itself 10 times, right? So 2 to the power 10 is actually 1024, then plus 4 right here. Then times this right here. This is also 1024 minus 4. There we go. Now, the whole of this is going to give us 1028, and this is multiplying this minus this is going to be 1020. Remember, we are not using a calculator and this is a very big number. So let's apply a strategy in order for us to multiply this. I'll rewrite the whole of this as 1000 plus 28, and this is multiplying. Now right here, this is also the same as 1000 plus 20. And from this point, we are going to apply the idea of FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. So we take this 1000, we distribute. Then after that, we take this and then distribute as well. 1000 times 1000, that is obviously 1 million. Then 1000 times 20, that is going to be 20,000. Then plus, we are done distributing this. 28 times 1000, that is 28,000. Then 28 times 20, let's do the math right here. 28 times 20. This is going to be 0. This is also 0. 2 times 8 is 16. I'm going to write 6, remember 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So we are going to have 560. So plus 560. There we go. But still, it seems it is difficult to add. So let's use the basic idea to add these numbers. I'm going to arrange them. We have 1 million, then plus 20,000, 4 zeros. Then we have 2 right here. Then 28,000, we have 283 zeros. Then 560, so we have 560 right here. And we are going to sum all of them basically, right? The whole of this is going to give us 0. This is 6. This is 5. This is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. We have 0 right there and 1. And that is basically it. So ladies and gentlemen, 2 to the power 20 minus 2 tetrated to 3 is giving us this huge number right here. And that is pretty much it. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and see you again on the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.